Manufacturing industries play a vital role in the economic development of a country.
Manufacturing refers to the production of goods in large quantities using machines.
Let us understand manufacturing industries and their importance.
Raw materials are transformed into finished products.
This chapter explains types, importance, and impacts of industries.
Cotton is converted into yarn and cloth. This process adds value to raw materials. Iron ore is processed to make steel. Steel is a basal industry product.
Finished goods are ready for market use.
Manufacturing industries provide employment to millions. Industries lead to urbanization.
Industries support transport and trade. Exports earn foreign exchange.
Manufactured goods improve our standard of living.
Manufacturing strengthens the economy. Sugar industry depends on agriculture.
It is an agro-based industry.
Textiles are India's oldest industry. Tea is processed before export. Mineral-based industries use minerals. Steel is a key mineral industry. Cement supports construction.
Aluminum is lightweight and strong.
Marine industries use sea products. Fish is cleaned and packed.
Cold storage preserves marine goods.
Forest industries use forest products.
Paper comes from wood pulp.
Furniture is a forest-based product.
Private industries are owned by individuals.
Private industries are owned by individuals.
Large-scale industries use advanced machines.
Small industries need less capital.
Cottage industries operate from homes.
Availability of raw materials is important. Power supply is essential. Industries need water.
Availability of labor matters. Good transport reduces cost.
Industries are near markets. Markets
All factors work together.
Industries cause air pollution. Water pollution affects life.
Machines cause noise pollution.
Waste harms the environment.
Pollution is a serious problem.
Filters reduce air pollution.
Wastewater is treated.
Renewable energy is used. Trees reduce pollution.
Rules protect environment. Rakai drawing. Sustainable development is necessary.
Future industries are smart.
Automation increases efficiency.
Clean industries protect nature. India is growing industrially.
Understanding industries is important.
Manufacturing industries are the backbone of economic development.